Welcome to Talk with FS, where we make it simple to every trader around the world and where we teach you how to make money on your own without stress. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. God bless you. Stop sleeping on it. Wake up, wake up, wake up, and let me teach you what you need to do to make money in this Forex market, how you can make a good, cool money. Today, I'll be talking about momentum. And the question is, what is momentum? Momentum in forex trading refers to the speed or strength of a currency pair price movement over a specific period of time. It is a key concept used by traders to assess the strength of a trend and predict potential reversal or continuation. And they always use it to identify trend and to know where they can look at for their exits. And many indicators are there that you can use to identify momentum. You can use divergence, relative strength index, moving average, MACD, stochastic oscillator. Many of them, they are there that people can use to identify the momentum in the forex market. But I'm here to teach you live on how to look at your chart straight and don't be a robot trader. Be a trader that thinks, that look at what is happening. And like I do always tell my students, I do tell them that forex trading is just a reality of what we are doing while we are living in this world, is what we do every blessed day. Now, I want to ask you a simple question. Let's say, for example, I have a particular phone. I have a phone here, and this phone, I only have one pieces left. This one pieces that I have left, and I have just only two people fighting for this phone. Only two people are fighting for this phone. Now, because only two people are fighting for this phone, they might be asking me, okay, let's say I want to sell this phone $5. And the person he said, let me give you $5.2. Another person comes, he said, okay, ignore that guy, ignore him, I will give you $5.3. Another person might say, okay, ignore them, let me give you $5. Another person will say, okay, let me give you $5.4. You see, the movement, there is no strength in it. Why? Because only two people are dragging for the phone. But let's say, for example, you have just only one phone and you have about 50 people fighting for this one phone. 50 people fighting for this, sorry, $50, $50 there. 50 people fighting for this phone. How do you think will be? There will be a riot. Okay. $50, you put it as your starting price. Okay, I will give you $52. Another person will say, okay, don't mind that guy. He doesn't know what he's saying. I'll give you 55. Give it to me. Another person will look at it. Don't mind those guys. They don't know what they are saying. I'll give you 60. Now, this shows that there is a need for this particular phone. That's the reason why they are increasing their price like this. Meaning that there is a scarcity. There are more demand than supply. People are demanding it. People are demanding for it. So that is what creates momentum in the forex market. Now, momentum, like I said, that it helps us to know the direction of the market, and also help us to spot where to make good entry and to exit. Now, let me quickly show us on our chart right now. Looking at this chart here right now, from this region, the market was dropping, and it started rising. No much interest there. We wish I would give you no more interest. They show little interest. They came back. They show another interest. Wow. And any man or anyone that has the capacity to create a high and create higher high is a person of interest. Now, if you look at it, people begin to ask, reduce, they begin to try the price. Then later, what happened? They destroy this high. This particular region is being destroyed. This tells us that there is a people of interest here who are buyers. There is a strong momentum there. Then what happened? There was a rest at that region. Then look at it again. People are still interested by destroying this region. That means this tells me and informs me that there are buyers in this market. So now that I have identified that there are buyers in this market, I will use my indicators to spot where I can come in. And if you don't want to use indicator, let me teach you one thing before I use indicator. Look at the price. They move down. Then the buyer tried to push. They couldn't destroy this, that this buyer, the seller has started. Rather, the seller created another low, which means that they are person of interest in this game now. Don't forget, this is the man that created this push to the top. But we have already seen like 1, 2, even though 3 here, that they have shown us that they are buyers. The buyers are already strong in this market. If I have known that, then where should I spot in? That is what I'm explaining. The seller drop it here massive. The buyer try the push, the seller drag it and clear them off. They try again to break this region. What happened? They created another low. When they tried, the buyer tried to create another high, they couldn't. Then what happened? They move again, they couldn't create another high. What happened? They created another massive sell, meaning that the seller are trying to show their power. But look at when they get to this region, which is the main point, the main man that pushed this movement, any man that has the capacity to create higher high is a person of interest. This is the man that created this high. All these are just coming. In as much they have not removed this region, then this is a person of interest in total. Now, looking at it, they are coming. I'm teaching you how to make entries, so focus. They are coming, they are creating lower low, and they try to create high, they couldn't, they create another lower low again. Then what happened? This is the man. This man created another low again. This cell created another low here again. When he created that low, what happened? This man buyer pushed the market massively by destroying this seller here. And for that reason, it tells me that this buyer have resumed. Okay? Give me a little discount. They gave me this discount. I pick myself by seeing this buy candle that it also reply by getting more higher than that little sell candle. Then I will sell, I will buy there. I'll buy there, putting my stop loss below here. And look at it. They gave me another momentum. Then they try again. And look at it. Move. Look at it. Then momentum begin to die. Now to also complement this with my what they call it, uh, with my indicator. This is how I complement it with my indicator. Looking at it here from this region, they give me that there's a momentum in the market, which I can see that it gave me overbought there on my PD high. Then they push back, they gave me another high here, which tells me that now I can see strong momentum there. I'll just be waiting for the price line to push down to the midpoint. From this midpoint, then I'll be looking for my entry, which they retrace to this region. Then I can see a W formation there. From that W formation, this is the last man that created the low for the seller. Then they break it from here. I'll look for my buy here, buy, and place my stop loss below that place. And I'll wait for them, my first TP, to break this place. If they break there, that which they did, they retest, they push again. So from this place, I'll break even here. I'll break even to this place and look at the market push on and on like that. That is how you use momentum to make money in the Forex market. If you don't understand anything, you can always drop your question in the comment section. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you help us to promote this YouTube channel. I love every one of you. Take care of yourself.
Thank you for watching our video. I believe you are blessed and you enjoy yourself. And for you to enjoy more of our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And please make sure you watch the next video for you to have more broad knowledge. Till I come your way, remain blessed.